Where's mommy? Where's your mommy? Here, kitty kitty. Come here. You're such a good boy.
Little baby. Who's that little baby?
Watch him jump.
Okay, really? Hi. Come back over here. You can help me. Where'd you go? Good boy. Hello.
Got soft ears. What was that?
That was a neat one.
Is it too much effort?
No.